she's gonna get us all the things she could possibly ask us. This is what she wants. A giant.
Go on. Have something to eat, little bird.
I was going to be so angry if I didn't get it.
What's that there?
What do you want? No, this is for Legohead. It's a bucket.
I like how the Chiefs turn from like crying to just like
Activity.
They're hungry, yeah.
yeah, hungry babies.
Have a picnic.
We'll do that.
Oh, they were so hungry. I'll hold them after they eat. Yeah. You'll be amazed by how light they are. They feel like they weigh nothing. I'm gonna stand in this. We put a little dish of water in there before and they just jumped in it.
Really?
Dad got like a little like a half cup measure and put it in there with water and they I'm gonna jump in this.
Did they drink it?
No, they just jumped in it.
Yesterday when I got them, because I had them early, all they wanted to do was sleep. They just slept. They weren't feral, but now they're feral.
my housemate that's looking after the